Okay, today we're gonna put 2 firecrackers together to see if this will blow a hole through my back pocket.
Through his ass.
Exactly. Get those things twisted up. Just pop them right there.
Jed, scoot that way, because we're in the... Okay.
I'm not this small, but
I might want to stand there for a second.
I don't want to be. Hold on.
You're in the line of fire.
No, I'm getting out of the video too.
Right here.
This one, you trying to make
Light
like
on my
that.
ass, and then drop it in there.
Hey, is that going to shoot back here at me?
I'll turn. I don't know. I don't know if it'll blow a hole in my pocket. That's the only reason I got it. Ow, fuck, I fucked myself.
You better...
Just explode now. Blah. Like, oh fuck, that didn't work.
Okay, this is Jed blowing his ass off.
I think it's a dud. Does someone want to reach in there and grab it?
No.
It's still smoking! Your pants on fire. That would just suck, sir.
It's smoking.
Blow up! There you go.
Brotherly love.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
Oh, God.
Take two.
Take 2.
That was blowing.
Ow! Shit!
Is there a hole?
I've been to 2 world fairs and a motherfucker. There ain't nothing stupid like that.
Hey! Alright, that was the end of that clip.